Hey guys, welcome back to IBF Tools. So you finally reset your iPhone, excited to set it up again? And then the screen hits you with iPhone lock to owner. Yeah, not exactly the welcome party you were hoping for. Don't worry, it happens a lot. This is Apple's activation lock, and while it's great for security, it can also lock out the actual owner. In this video, I'll walk you through several safe and practical ways to remove that lock screen. Whether you forgot your Apple ID or you just bought a used iPhone that's still tied to someone else. Important reminder, only use these methods on your own iPhone. Unlocking someone else's device without permission could be illegal. Method 1. Reset your Apple ID with iForgot. Now, let's say you completely blanked on your Apple ID password. No worries, Apple's got you covered. Grab a browser and head over to iForgot.apple.com. Enter your Apple ID email and follow the prompts. If you've got another trusted Apple device, you'll see a pop-up asking to reset your password. Hit Allow, create a new password. Then you can use it right away to activate your iPhone. And just so you know, sometimes Apple makes you wait a couple days for security reasons. Annoying, but totally normal. Method 2. Temporary DNS bypass. If you don't know the Apple ID at all, there's a quick trick with DNS settings. Press and hold the side button on the wireless LAN network page. Go to wireless LAN settings, configure DNS, manual, enter a DNS server. Once done, tap Save and restart your device. When you reconnect, you'll see a bypass menu where you can browse, watch videos, or play games. Keep in mind, this is only temporary. Method 3. Remove activation lock with IBF tool, no jailbreak needed. If you want a permanent solution without dealing with Apple ID or passwords, this is where IBF tool comes in. Download and install it. Then connect your iPhone to your computer. Launch the IBF tool and select your device type and the iOS version. Then click the right button. The newest version of IBF tool works without jailbreak, so it's safer, easier, and faster than ever. When it's done, you can set up your iPhone like brand new, no Apple ID, no password required. And that's it. 3 ways to remove iPhone lock to owner, with IBF tool being the simplest and most effective if you don't have the Apple ID. If this helped, hit that like button and let me know in the comments which method